welcome to Your Stirring On. Today we are baking sugar cookies under a time crunch. So I have 20 minutes on the clock, starting now. So first, you're gonna mix your butter. Oh my gosh. This butter is slowing down. Sugar and cream that together. I'm gonna put a link for the ingredients in the description below. Okay, that's good. I'm adding egg. And vanilla extract. We'll do half a teaspoon. And a little more. Here I have my flour. This is baking powder. And baking soda. Okay, that's done. I'm going to add a little bit of this. And mix it in. Just gradually adding the flour. Oh no! Ah, it smells so good. Okay. Now sugar. The dough is done. And now, they're gonna be like tablespoon size. You just level it. Okay, so my oven is preheating to 375, and because, let me start. I have 12 minutes left. I really wanted to put sprinkles on some of these, so I'm going to. I love sprinkles. I can't decide what color. Let's do all of them. Rainbow. Some pink. Orange. I'm not going to do my red. I don't know. I'm running out of red. Green. Alright, it's time to put the cookies in. Alrighty. Oh my goodness, what happened to this cookie? Did I do something? That poor cookie. They're done. I mean, they're not cool, but they're done. 20 minutes. you can have cookies and a crunch.
Thank you so much for baking with me. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification button. I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.